and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make you a drink that will increase your libido, increase your drive, and aside from that, it's also good for your body. It has a lot of benefits which I'm going to share in this video. So as you can see, the ingredients we need here is garlic. Oh yes, get into your kitchen and grab your garlic because that has a lot of benefits. First of all, let's talk about the benefits it has for the VJ. Garlic contains antimicrobial and antifungal properties that helps prevent, VJ problems such as itching, burning, odor, discharge, and even UTI, which we know as urinary tract infection. Please, whenever you want to get your garlic, get the one that has the big bulb so you can get your big garlic. This gave me a little bit of problem, like headache. I was, fishing out the big garlic out of this, and at last I'm using 5 cloves of garlic. So if you have the big garlic, you can use only 2. It depends on how big it is. Only 2 it's enough, but in my case I will be using 5 pieces of garlic. So I'm just going to peel them one by one and transfer them into a bowl. So as I was saying, garlic contains allicin, and allicin prevents fungal growth and even prevent the growth of Candida albicans. And if you don't know what Candida albicans is, it is the bacteria that causes that place to be itchy, to have odor. You know when you say, I have yeast infection? Yes, that is the bacteria causing it. Normally, you would think garlic would have the opposite effect. Like you want it to be smelly, or it will cause you, this smelly odor and all that. But on the contrary, garlic is great for the down there because it will just make that place smell nice. Opposite of what it does, right? Yeah. Garlic will make that place smell nice, and it will also stimulate your ovulation. Garlic is also linked to female fertility. So this has a lot of benefits. Garlic also increases your chances to conceive. So if you're trying to conceive, you might want to try garlic. So now that I have successfully peeled my garlic, I'm going to rinse it to get rid of any dirt that it came across with when I was handling it, because you want to drink everything that is clean so you don't introduce more bacteria or more, bad thing into your body. So the next thing I will be doing is to cut my garlic into smaller pieces so that we can get the juice out of it. After cutting the garlic, I'm just going to transfer it into this bowl. And the next thing is to get yourself a pot. It will be very good if you have this herbal pot or a pot that you don't really use to cook your, spicy foods or to cook things much like that in the kitchen. So just get it and make it your herbal pot because, you need to take care of your body also. So I'm just going to pour the garlic into this pot and pour in 3 cups of water. A cup is 250 ml, so I'm using 3 cups of that. If you don't have the measurement cup, you can use any cup in your home. Just 3 cups of water and boil it for 10 minutes. So after boiling it, you let it cool down a bit, then you sieve it because we need only the water. And I'm still going to add in some ingredients into this water and tell you how to use it correctly. So now that we have this water, this goodness in a cup or in a glass cup, then we move on to the next ingredient. I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon of the next ingredient into the garlic water, and the ingredient is pure honey. So add in honey and mix it well. Then the last ingredient I will be using is date syrup. If you don't have date syrup, it's okay, you can just omit it, but if you have the dates, you can just boil the dates together with the garlic and you use it like this, because dates and honey are also very good to boost your libido and your drive. It makes that place more slippery than it was. It provides lubrication to that place and grants your womanhood, your VJ, it grants it, good smell also. So I'm just going to replay some parts to drop some information that's very important if you want to use this drink. This drink treats high blood pressure. So if you have high blood pressure, it's okay to use it. It treats stomach cancer. It treats coronary artery disease. If you are the type that also has painful menstruation, it eases the pain. It just makes everything painless. It gives you healthy pregnancy, and it is recommended for conception in women, like I said. And this is not only limited to women. It improves the function in men also by increasing blood flow and enhancing fertility in men. And it improves the drive, the urge in women also. Taking this drink daily will get rid of the toxins in your body that you ingest through eating fatty foods. We like eating fatty foods. Eat your chicken, your burger, eat your oil anyhow. So this will get rid of the toxins in your body, because when your body does not have a bunch of toxins that is weighing it down, you could combat everything. You could combat everything from cancer to depression. This drink will boost your immune system, so your body is ready to fight off any infection, any kind of infection. It contains the good sources that can improve your function and fertility also. So if you want to use this to enhance your libido, your drive, just drink 1 cup of this first thing in the morning and 1 cup first thing at night. If you are using it for your painful period, you can also use it daily before your period even comes at all. And when it comes, you can continue to take this daily, 1 cup daily. Warm it or microwave it, make it hot, because that time your body needs something that is warm. And aside from all that, it can also be enjoyed as a part of nutritional, well-rounded diet, or, just this nutritional water to support your overall health and protect against disease. So it's okay to take it whether you want to increase your libido or not. It has a very good benefit to the body. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe, like, and share to other people that may benefit from it.